Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPhone user tired of fumbling with your wallet every time you make a purchase, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Apple Pay quickly and easily. It's a secure, contactless payment method that lets you use your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay at stores, online, or in apps, making your life so much simpler. First things first, make sure your device is compatible. You'll need an iPhone running iOS 12.4 or later, or an Apple Watch with watchOS 6.2 or higher. Also, check that your bank or card issuer supports Apple Pay. Most major ones do, but it's always good to double check. Let's dive into the steps. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. If it's your first time, you'll see an option to add a card. Tap on that, and you can either scan your card using your camera or manually enter the details. Once you've added the card information, Apple will prompt you to verify it with your bank. This might involve receiving a one-time code via text or email, so keep an eye on your messages. After verification, your card will appear in the Wallet app. You can add multiple cards if you want, and even set a default one for faster payments. Pro tip: for extra security, Apple Pay uses Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode to authorize transactions, so your actual card numbers are never shared. Once set up, you're ready to go. Just double-click the side button on your iPhone and hold it near a payment terminal to use it in stores. For online shopping, select Apple Pay at checkout. It's that straightforward. There you have it. Setting up Apple Pay is a game-changer for convenient and safe payments. If you run into any issues, double-check your device's settings or contact your bank. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.